こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Let's learn katakana and this time the third lesson, ナニヌネノ and ハヒフヘホ. But also ハヒフヘホ can be バビブベボ and パピプペポ. The first letter, な. This one, katakana. And this is な from hiragana. Na from katakana is much easier than this. The first stroke, you are from the left to the right, a little bit going down. One, and second one from the upper part, about in the half, and you're going the little bit curve to your left. Na. The importance of this na is the second line is going this curve, because if you write straight down, this is kanji and it means 10, 10. The meaning is 10 and we pronounce 10. So the difference only the second line. Second stroke, this is straight down in kanji, but in katakana, you must go a little bit going to your left. The second letter, ni. Ni from katakana, and this is ni from hiragana. The first stroke is this one, upper part. You are going a little bit going to the right side, a little bit upper. The first line and the second line, the second stroke is longer than the first one. You begin outside from this one and going the same line but longer one. This is ni. This is katakana ni, but at the same time kanji, and also we pronounce ni. Ni, it means number 2. 2 in kanji is just the same as in katakana ni. Okay, the third one is nu. This is nu from hiragana. It was quite complicated, but nu from katakana is only two strokes, so it's much easier. The first stroke is this. From here, you are going a little bit going to the up, and now you are going a little curve and going to your left. This is the first stroke, 1. And the second one, and you just cross this one, 2. And this is not too long, okay? So 2. And the important point is this, the last part is a little bit longer than here. You see? Like this. A little bit, not too long, but little bit the first point, the beginning point and the ending point of this red line, this one is more outside than here. Ne. This is ne from hiragana, naninune, and this one is katakana, ne. The first stroke is this red line, 1. And this inclination is about 45 degrees. It's quite similar to this one, e from hiragana, the first stroke, 1. 1. This is the first one. The second stroke of ne is this black line, 2. Like this. This is quite similar to this one, nu. We just learned this one, nu, this red line, and here in ne, this black line. It's quite similar. Maybe not too long, but anyway, this point, the first beginning point and the ending point is more outside. So 2, this is the second line, the second stroke of ne. 1 and 2. The third stroke is about in the middle, just in the middle of the paper, straight down. This is the third one, straight down. This is longer than here, and this is the lowest point. The fourth and the last stroke of ne is here, this green line, 4. This is about the same inclination from this one and this one. So 4. This is ne. Actually, this katakana ne was from many parts of the kanji. Many kanjis uses this part in the left side. And in this case, we say shimesu. Don't worry, but this is one of the part of the kanji. And this part, just exactly as the ne, but maybe we must write a little bit slender, more slender, because there are other part in the right. So ne from katakana is just big, but when we use in kanji, slender, just slender. And this means about something to do with the god or the sacred. For example, this kanji, rei. Rei, it means etiquette. And also when we bow, Japanese people, we greet like this. This is rei. And this one, the second letter, this is kami, the god. Kami-sama, the god. And together with this, jinja. Jinja is the Japanese sanctuary, jinja. And this one, iwau, oiwai, iwaimasu, it means to celebrate. Celebrate. So, to celebrate before the god or in front of the god. Celebrate. And fuku, this is the happiness, this kanji. And the last one, this is zen. Zen, like Buddhist zen. Next is no. This is no from hiragana and no from katakana. It's so easy. Just this one. So you are going to your left and down the diagonal way, and you just let it go. So it is just like when you begin the no from hiragana, like this line, the same, but in this case, you have to do this circle, but here you just let it go like this. Shun, no. After naninune hahifu heho comes ha. This is ha from hiragana, and this is ha from katakana. So easy. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So it is very open like this. Now look at this. This is ha from hiragana, right? And this is hachi. Hachi, this is kanji. And hachi means number 8. So similar, nearly the same. But in the case of kanji, it's more elegantly. The second line is upper, and the finish line is shun, like this. But in katakana, just 1 and 2. But anyway, the important point is here, there are some space. We don't write like this. There are space. In the case of hahifu heho with maru, maru is the circle. The sound is papi pupe po with p sound, just as the same way in hiragana. So this is pa in katakana. It means when we double this one, pa and other pa. Papa. Papa, it means daddy. Papa. Hahifu heho with ten. The sound changes to babi bubebo. Babi bubebo with B sound. So this is ba from hiragana, and ba from katakana is ha and ten. Ba. So today you are going to learn, you already learned naninune no 5 and hahifu heho, papi pupepo, babi bubebo. So actually you're going to learn 20 letters. Hi. This is hi from hiragana, and this one is hi from katakana. The first stroke is this one, red colored, from the left to the right, and you are going up. This is the first stroke, 1. The second stroke is this one, 2. You are going down and going to your right. And this one finishes longer than here. This is He doesn't look like very difficult, right? But many people get confused with the writing order. Some people begin from here, the one, but it's not correct. The first one is here and going a little bit going up. This is the first. Many people make mistakes like this. One, but the first the first stroke is this red one. Okay, so 1 and 2. Also, there are many kanjis that use this part. Oh, it looks like this part, like this. These kanjis, the red color part is like he. But the difference is he in kanji, or the part that looks like he, the order is from up to the down and like this. But in katakana, you begin from here going up. So this is the other point that people make mistakes. I must say that I was confused. I was always writing from here, like just in kanji, because kanji from here, from this order, this one, from the right to the left. But in katakana, the right one is from here, from the left to the right. Fu from hiragana, but hiragana we've got two ways. Fu and fu, both ways are okay. Both one is right. And fu, this is the katakana. It's quite easy. One, just it. The important point to pay attention is this one. This is fu. You finish here. Jun. But nu, it's a similar way, but nu was longer. So it means this fu, you must finish inside of the first point. This is fu. Now, please look at these two very carefully. Do you know the difference? And can you read what is it? Well, this one is tsu, tachi, tsute to tsu from hiragana. Tsu. And this is hahi, fu, heho, fu from katakana. What's the difference? Do you see it? Well, this one is more circular. Everything is like a little bit more circular. But this one, this is just the straight. This one was a little bit circular, okay? This is straight, and here also, this part is circular, but this curving point, you see the difference? This is more circular. This is a little bit angular. Here, this is more angular. This is different, but it's very similar. Tsu from hiragana, fu from katakana. Be careful. The next character is he, hahi, hu, he, he. This one is he from katakana. This one is he from hiragana. Do you see the difference? It's almost the same, right? The first stroke, boom, and this angle, boom, and this is longer than here, just as the same as in hiragana. But there's a small difference. Can you see it? Or can you imagine it? Hiragana is it's like a more feminine, like a woman, like more a little bit like a circular, like a curve. So here, this is more a little bit more circular. Here, this part, this one. But here, the angle is more sharp. One, chun chun. This one too. But anyway, it's almost the same. I just tell you, a little bit difference is here, this part. Chun chun. Okay? He, hahi, hu, he. The last character of today is this one, ho. Ho from hiragana, ho from katakana. The first one is from here, one, a little bit going to your right and up. One, short line. And second one in just in the middle point from the up, just going down, straight down, and maybe a little bit jump. And the third one, this one, 3 and 4. 3 and 4. This is ho. Of course, with 10, it can be bo, B-O, bo, and with maru, with circle, papi pupe, po, po. Let's see all the letters that we learned today. Na, ni, nu, ne, no, ha, hi, fu, he, ho. And with maru, pa, then papi pupe po, and all with 10, ba, babi bube bo. We've learned from na, naninune ha, hahifu heho. So next time it's gonna be akasata ha. So mamimume mo and yayuyo. So please practice writing them in your notebook. If you liked this video and if you think this was useful for you, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that will help me a lot. Please. いかがでしたか？今日勉強したカタカナは、何ぬねの、そしてハヒフヘホ、それから点々をつけるとバビブベボになるし、丸をつけるとパピプペポになります。ですから全部で20のカタカナを勉強しました。カタカナは簡単ですが、とても忘れやすいので、何回も書いて練習してくださいね。このビデオが気に入ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンお願いします。そしてチャンネル登録も忘れないでね。それから私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったら、とても嬉しいです。ぜひお願いします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。次は、まみむめもとやゆよです。楽しみにしていてくださいね。では、またお会いしましょう。じゃあね。